I have 4 colors, and I believe it's enough to make these wonderful skin tones. Let's get a bit of yellow, a tiny bit of blue. We get a very intense green color, a bit of red, a bit of white, maybe more white, add a bit of yellow, and now we get a color that we could use in the face. How to make them lighter? We use not just white, a tiny bit of blue, a bit of red. So we get a nice color, slightly purple. Add more white, a bit of yellow. It's slightly yellowish, slightly greenish, more white. For the cheeks, for example, yeah.